Hey, this is Jim with eduStreamTV, and for this segment, we are being joined here in the studio by Nathaniel Bonini from AJA. Nathaniel,
Thanks
thanks
for
for
having
joining
me.
us.
Happy to be here.
I am always happy to talk about how our manufacturers are creating products and technology that makes it easier for schools to broadcast in these environments. AJA has a long history of creating broadcast equipment and gear, and we're going to talk about a couple of case studies today that have been used in the educational world to give you ideas of how these products can help with your own broadcast workflows. Nathaniel, why don't we take a moment, introduce yourself to our audience and AJA.
Great. My name's Nathaniel Bonini. I have over 30 years experience in production, post-production, and equipment workflows. AJA is, funny enough, was founded when I started in the film business many years ago. It's over 30 years old. We're headquartered out in Grass Valley, California. We make broadcast and broadcast AV equipment for video production.
Absolutely. I think most people are first introduced to the AJA brand with their excellent line of little mini converters.
Absolutely.
HDMI to SDI, SDI to HDMI. When you need that little box that completes the workflow, AJA is one of the most reliable brands that come to mind. Now, there's a lot of broadcast equipment produced over that 30-year history.
Correct.
There's a lot of tools that are made that will help benefit schools in the IP and remote production workflows. And those were the couple of case studies that I pulled that we could talk about today. So one of the things that we want to do is present to you two use cases in the higher education space.
Great.
Both of these were faced with some of those same challenges, right?
That's right. And in the education space, the budgets are tight, staff is overworked, and the workflows are need to be fluid so that they can be flexible enough for the different production environments. So and now we have a requirement to go from our traditional baseband workflows, which we're all familiar with, to IP-based workflows, which are a lot newer for a lot of people to deal with. And then in education, you have students using the equipment, and the wonderful thing about that is that students are learning how to use real broadcast equipment so that when they get out into industry, they already know a lot of these workflows.
Absolutely. And it's funny, from our audience, there's not a lot of people joining us saying, I have unlimited budgets and unlimited staff.
That's right.
Resources are always one of the top concerns when we talk to educators. And taking those resources and employing the students to learn on the real world equipment is the way you get the best of both worlds in this space.
Absolutely. It's on-the-job training.
Absolutely. Yep. So one of the first things I wanted to talk about was the Basel Academy of Art and Design.
Great.
Tell us a little bit about who they are and what that project was.
So the Basel Academy of Art and Design is as you can see, is a multidisciplinary art and design university. They have they initially had a fashion show where they had to. This was our entree into getting on campus and getting equipment in their hands. They had these fashion shows, but they didn't have the space for all of the shows, so they had to bring in. Or they had to do it in multiple locations on campus.
Okay.
So what they did was they set up 22 cameras around campus. They do not only the fashion shows, but the TED style talks and even other events like graduation.
Right.
So they were able to backhaul those cameras via NDI and via fiber.
Wow.
We have an array of fiber products as well. That allow you to run, to break that 100-meter cable limit. And so they were able to backhaul those back to a production control room and use the Bridge Live to get in and out of IP video, whether it was streaming out to a CDN or getting in and out of the NDI world, and manage their productions effectively. Using the Bridge Live and some of our fiber tools.
And I know we already spoke about budget, and that's always the thing that comes up. with this IP production workflow,
Hmm.
it really allowed the school to not only further use the equipment that they had by making it available to the fashion shows, to the textile tours,
Hmm.
but to other productions being done in the school.
Yep,
It also allowed them to invest in more gear by having these 22 cameras all communicate back to that central control room, right?
that's correct.
And that's where the AJA products really came in handy
Hmm.
with your Bridge Live being that IP production engine that kind of pulls this all of these things together, right?
That's correct. And one of the neat things about this project is that they had multiple language streams to stream out, which is relatively easy to do on a Bridge Live uh, uh, to embed the correct stream in your outbound stream.
Great. And distribution over the internet, multiple CDN providers,
Correct.
all of that workflow was enabled with the equipment that they invested in.
That's correct. The Bridge Live enables multi-CDN workflows. It enables, and now it wasn't used in this particular instance to do this,
Right.
but you can tie sites together
Okay.
using the Bridge Live. And it gives a very robust way to get in and out of your IP workflows.
Absolutely. And then they've also integrated some Dante products as well, right?
Correct. And the Dante 12GAM is relatively new for us as well. It's only a couple of years old. And it allows them, one of the other benefits of using OpenGear and Bridge Live, allows people to manage the production remotely as well. So
Yep.
you can remote in, you have a web-based interface, or in the case of Dante, you have you can use dashboard and Dante controller to manage those devices.
Absolutely. And I think that's where AJA does a really excellent job in combining the hardware world with the open gear support. AJA has a full catalog of products available for the open gear frames,
Mhm.
giving you the flexibility to get the right cards and the right workflow solutions for your school's production. And then they're also supporting the IP production workflows with products like the Bridge Live, giving you even more flexibility beyond the traditional hardware space, where any video source that is now included on your network can be bridged together
It absolutely
using
can.
these HAA products. Pun intended.
Perfect segue to the NDI license for the Bridge Live.
Yep.
Allows organizations to use use the discoverability that's built into NDI,
Yep.
and the remote flexibility of being able to route it and pick off feeds where you need them.
Absolutely. And that NDI production integration is something that was a integral part of this next case study, excuse me, that we're going to talk about at Singapore Polytechnic.
That's right. So Singapore Polytechnic is an engineering school in Singapore, and they have an NDI production studio that they integrate for their engineering students to
Okay.
learn production workflows.
Wow.
So being able to implement the Bridge and NDI in their production workflows eases the there's a very high ease of use to the equipment. Once you learn one of these workflows within the NDI world, it's very easy to jump to. It's very easy to expand that world.
Yep.
And the students were able to create a sort of control infrastructure that allowed them to be flexible with all of the kinds of productions that they have on campus.
Now, Nathaniel, one of the challenges I know we run into in the education space all the time
Yep.
is that not all schools have the benefit of having someone with your experience to come in and handle their production workflows.
That's correct.
NDI productions, AV over IP,
Mhm.
some of these other solutions available through AJA
Mhm.
are designed to work with someone that doesn't have the breadth of experience, but still give them very easy learning tools to get their production studios up and running, right?
Absolutely. So the benefits of using OpenGear and NDI and even the Bridge technology is once you have it set up and installed, It's relatively easy to operate, and it's relatively easy to operate remotely if you need to do that.
That's
So
great.
being able to remote into a bridge, being able to remote into your infrastructure and route signals once you learn how to do that, it's very easy to expand the features that you can offer your clients, where these students, that their clients are the event producers.
Absolutely. And eduStreamTV can help link you up with a system integrator, AJA's trained and certified installer in your area to help get you that equipment up and running. And that's exactly what Singapore Polytechnic did
Mm-hmm.
with your products is they got that up and running,
Yep.
and it really gave them the flexibility
Mm-hmm.
and the production capabilities to do remote productions, in studio, everything that they need to do with that scroll, right?
That's correct. And as you can see, the on the slide here, we talk about how user friendly it is and the low latency. And then as far as cabling, once you get into the IP space, you're talking about a network.
Yep.
And it's very well known, how to cable that up and how to integrate those signals as well. So if you're going from a say 12G baseband to NDI and IP streaming out to your CDN,
Yep.
this is the perfect tool for that.
Perfect. And again, this is a rapidly growing system that by students getting involved and learning it in higher education, you're also giving them the tools that they're going to encounter in the professional world as they graduate. And that's one of the most common things that schools are looking for when they're investing in these different products and technology. Tell us a little bit more about how AJA supports those investments.
Well, the our technology roadmap is supporting the IP space,
Yep.
and we're certainly committed to that space. Whether you're going for the big iron of 2110, you need to do NDI, or you need to get out to a CDN on a streaming basis. So we're well versed in IP workflows
Yep.
and supporting those workflows with our gear.
And that's what these case studies that we talked about today have in common is the ability of using AJA products to give them the remote production capabilities at a very affordable budget with tools that their students and teachers can use.
That's correct. And some of the commonalities between the solutions that we've provided here are, as we mentioned, the constrained budgets.
Yep.
The hardware that they're implementing and the software they're implementing gives them flexibility with their productions, which is absolutely required in a constantly changing environment like an educational institution.
Absolutely. The Bridge Live was really built to be the hub for all of those IP conversion
For all of the
workflows.
I/O
Yep.
that they use. Yes.
Absolutely. And if you want to learn more about these different case studies that we talked about, they will be posted here on eduStream TV. They are also available on AJA's website. You can reach out to the team here at eduStream TV. We can connect you with any of our certified dealers and system integrators throughout the country to learn more about the Bridge Live and the other AJA products that can fit best into your solutions and workflow. You can also go to aja.com to learn more about all these great products. Nathaniel, thank you
Absolutely.
for joining us.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
Stay tuned for more from eduStream TV.